Factorise as far as possible x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. So we're going to start using the factor theorem. So let f of x be equal to x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. So we only need to try factors of 2, so 1 and 2, and of course negative 1 and negative 2. So let's start with f of 1. That's going to be 1 plus 2, take away 1, take away 2, is equal to 0. So straight away that tells me that x minus 1 is a factor. Now we could carry on looking for other factors using the factor theorem, but a good way to do it now is to split this cubic into the linear factor we know here and a quadratic, and I always do that by inspection. You could do algebraic division, but it's a bit of a long way around. So x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 is x minus 1, and then let's think about the bracket. Well, we've got a single x cubed here, so that's going to be a single x squared there, so that when we expand out we get the x cubed. This is a negative 1. We're going to need a plus 2 in this end of the bracket to get negative 2 here, and then we're not sure what we want in the middle. But let's think about how we get, for example, x squareds. So we'll get an x squared from here, we get an x squared from here. So I can say that 2x squared is equal to negative x squared plus ax squared, and I wrote cube there by mistake. So 3x squared is equal to ax squared, and that tells me that a is equal to 3. So I now have x minus 1, x squared plus 3x plus 2, and I know how to factorize this quadratic. So that's x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 2.